Hi kids, today we are going to be mixing colors. Well, learn how to mix colors. Do you know what happens when you mix red and yellow together? Well, when you mix red and yellow together, you get orange. Now, do you know what happens when you mix yellow and blue together? Once you mix yellow and blue together, you will get green. What about blue and red? Do you know what happens when you mix those two colors together? Blue and red? Well, you will get purple. Purple. Now, do you know what happens when you mix red and white together? Let's figure out what red and white will create. Well, it will create pink. Red and white will create pink. Now, what about white and black? Do you know what happens when you mix white and black together? Well, you will get gray. So when you mix white and black, you'll get gray. What about if you mix red, yellow, and blue together? Do you know what color they are going to make? Well, if you mix red, yellow, and blue together, you will get brown. You get brown. Now, what about orange, green, and purple? When you mix orange, green, and purple together, what will you get? Do you know? Well, you'll also get brown. There you go. Mixing colors. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.